Stand na yung hanay.
VIP lang aja.
May VIP. VIP.
Natay nga VIP.
Okay, ito VIP to. Nagluhan lagi siya pasok pa siguro. Nagpapaputok. Iya, deh, umini Korea. Terus. Pizza. Lovely. Russia. Video. Kan amit tayo. Ano nga eh? Filipino. Philippine support. There's the Philippines. Philippines. Ang Philippines. Mang Ped. Ipon muna. Hindi ka nangala? Done?
Okay, try it.
Video ka. Hindi mo makita.
Take a bangin.
Philippines. Ang Philippines. Mang Ped.
Enjoy the Globalfest passport purchase. There's questions to be answered. Each countries like Japan and India, Philippines, Korea. If you submitted all the questions with answers, you have the chance to win $9,000 sponsored by the TD Bank. And if you done to get the answer, each countries of by visiting their booth, you have to submit into the who own to be submitted, and hopefully we will win. Good luck for us.
The repeated blows are not making it hard.
We are still continuing exploring each booth, its different cultures. We have fun. We're out of time.
4. Is it being
We have 9 minutes to finish the questions to be answered before we submit it to the who is responsible to be submitted person. Now we are in India. Nice idea.
Mabenya.
Oh, the step is over there?
Давайте сидим, переодевалка. Раздевалка.
Incredible park.
Ay, pabulog.
And free bite name, free push and soft.
Thank you. Can I have the light?
Can you have the light?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank
Okay,
you
how do you
so
say
much.
how do you say the word
Ini.
Blackwood? Ini? Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ini.
Before we go there, who is here from outside of Alberta? So whether you're here from any other province or territory or any other country outside of our national borders, join those lights and let those lights shine. I want to see a whole lot more. I want to see a Milky Way happening out there. You know, it's wonderful. Now everybody from Calgary, join in. There we go. What a wonderful firefly night. That is so amazing. It warms my heart to see this. Thank you so much for being here. We're going to get into the People's Choice Awards, so I'm going to call Doran up.